Hello folks, we in GLK350 and today I will show you the settings how to make your door automatically lock when vehicle start moving or when wheels is spinning. So with your key in, press the lock button for 5 seconds until you hear beep. This is beep on the unlock button. So if you don't want to have your vehicle lock automatically, it's unlocked right now. Now I do want my vehicle lock automatically when I move. And then what you press this button and hold. Till you get beep. Okay, and I will show you how this works. Right now door is unlocked, and as we go, the door is locked. So again, if you don't want that happen, then use unlock. After beep, we'll see the result. So I'm driving and the vehicle will not going to get locked. In my preferences, I like my door to be locked, and that's when I hold this button for 5 seconds till I see beep. I hear beep, and now we can move. I'm sorry, it's open. Hold on, we go on the street. We're in the garage parking lot. Alright, now we will try this again. Voila! Thanks for watching this video. Again, this is how to automatically program your door to be locked and unlocked.
Have a good day, bye.
Thanks for watching. That's my supporter.